Hey, welcome guys. Today I just want to show you a quick video. We came to Diamond Bar to get my friend his new car and take a look at that, what you can get for 10 grand these days. This is a 77 Toyota Celica liftback with a 5-speed stick shift. It's an original car. That's probably the biggest issue with the car, and as you can see, the shitty paint job all over. But other than that, it's a perfect car. Yeah, we are having some issues with the carburetor. The owner is trying to fix it right now, and he's gonna be the new owner of the car. I'm gonna show you some more footage once we have the car and take it back to the garage. Yeah, turn right. Keep turning right. Or, I mean, it doesn't matter. Yeah, go, go, go. There you go. There you go.